Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today we are also going to talk about Docker. And exactly what about it? About publishing of Docker images. As you know, in previous episode I showed you how to create simple Docker image, and today I'm going to teach you how to publish that very same image so other people can see it and use it. And for that purpose we are going to use Docker Hub. So if you don't have already, create account on it. And by the way, at the moment there are 4 different plans that you can use. I'm using personal, that is free, and it covers all of my needs, but what you are going to select, it's totally up to you. Creation of a Docker Hub account, it's a straightforward process, but first thing that you should do when you create your Docker Hub account, go to this circular image, usually with a letter, that is your account, and go to account settings. In here, go to security and create a new access token. You are going to need this token in order to publish your images. But be very careful about it. Those values are going to be shown only once. So when you see value that is going to serve as password for your account, copy it and store it somewhere safe. Now when that is done, go to repositories. And here I'm going to create one repository for testing purposes. So I'm going to click on create repository. I'm going to name it testing. And of course this is going to be a public Docker image, and I'm going to click on create. Alright. So now you can set category, change description, or you can create repository overview if you want for this to look more professional, but I don't intend to go there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get back to our project from yesterday. Alright, I'm going to list this directory. As you can see, I still have my Docker file and main.py, and if I check Docker image ls, as you can see, I have no image installed. But now, what is important for you to do in order to publish your image to Docker Hub repository? You have to name your image in the same way like your repository. So it must be named kindspirit technology / testing. And that is exactly what I'm going to do now. Sudo docker build. Tag is going to be kind spirit technology / testing, and source for my project, it's local directory. Alright, now I'm going to list my Docker, and as you can see I have kind spirit technology / testing on my machine, so I'm just going to run it. It works, that's cool. But now, in order to publish to Docker Hub, first we have to log into it. And that is already done in my case, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. You are going to use Docker command, log in, and I'm going to call help in order to show you what you have to do. With /p you are going to provide password, and password in this case it's value of your token. With -u you are going to provide your username, and you can even provide another server if you are using something other than Docker Hub. So how is this going to look in my case? So I'm going to use sudo docker login. With you, I'm going to say kind spirit technology, and immediately after P, I would paste the value from my token. And I'm not going to do this because this is already done. And now in order to publish that image that we just created, I'm going to use sudo docker push kind spirit technology / testing, and now column. After column, you are going to provide tag, and tag is going to be a version of your repository. So you can put something like 0.5.5 or latest, something like this. And I'm going to press enter. Give it some time. Alright, we are done. So now I'm going to navigate back to my repository and I'm going to refresh this. Wonderful. As you can see, I have my project uploaded. Go to tags and you're going to see that I have my tag latest. And compressed size of this image, it's 45,49 megabytes. And now I'm going to show you how to reverse this process. First, I'm going to get back to my server. I'm going to clear this. And I'm going to use Docker image remove /f. And I'm going to remove kind spirit technology /testing. All right. So now I'm just going to list my images, and as you can see, I don't have that image on my machine. And now I'm going to get it back from my repository. So I'm going to use sudo docker pull in this case, and I'm going to pull kind spirit technology /testing column latest. All right. Let's see now what I'm going to see in my list. Image ls. All right. We have kind spirit technology /testing with tag latest. And now I'm going to test how it works with sudo docker run kind spirit technology testing. And for the end, I'm just going to navigate back to my Docker Hub repository. I'm going to open settings tab and I'm going to delete this repository. Delete repository forever. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new, something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!